Hello, welcome back to another video. So today it is the Redstone competition results, yay! So, how will these be judged? It's quite simple. First, there are 3 points in creativity. Creativity meaning, how did you take this idea? And, creativity, yeah, how did you take this idea and made it, like, creative? So for example, it could have been a snake, but instead of it being the boring old display, it could have been with pistons moving around like a green thing. I don't know. Complexity on 3 points, compactness on 1 point, originality 2 points. Originality means just the basic idea, and 1 point if it works. That is a total of 10 points. So now to see the points, like the submissions. Oh yeah, and there will also be a tiebreaker round after this. And please be remembered that do not leave the Redstone competition Discord, because after this, there will be like a challenge where I have to rebuild every submission in 20 minutes. Well, 20 minutes for each submission, obviously. But if you want to see me suffer and try building your submission in 20 minutes, then just watch the video. That will come out later, obviously. So yeah, let's go to the first submission, which is by Oakley Paws, which is his map maker. It is laggy, and this is a thing I never thought of doing, to carry signals, but you could have extended this by 1 if you wanted to. You could have done like a block here. I'm not saying that's not removing your points. You could have put like a block here and then a target block on the other side. Just saying. Okay. So what I noticed is that I spawned outside of the room, but there isn't a door into the room, so I made a hole. By the way, this looks really good. I already tried this and everything. It works. Basically, you just put in the coordinates and then you just color it in, and you can also just color in the entire display. So right now I made it all purple with a little pink dot. If I'm not mistaken, it's a 30 by 30 display. Oh, and I also broke the table by accident. And yeah, so this submission got 7 points. A good, respectable 7 points. On to the next build. Okay, next up we have submission by Crafter. Oops, I just paused that. Okay, it's very dark, the screen. But yeah, oops. Sorry me. Okay. Sorry me, I mean pardon me. So yeah, this is a light system. Basically just, well, puts out netherrack and then lights it on fire. Yeah, that is pretty cool. I would imagine using this in my base. But, yeah, no, it is pretty cool. So what did this get? This got a 5 out of 10, which is pretty good, I'd say. I mean, at least it's not a 4 or something. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, but if you do want to know, like, your points in more detail, like where you got your points, just DM me and I will tell you in detail where you got your points. Or did I already say that? I have no idea. Okay, next up we have this build from Danny, which is a, well, it's just as you see, it's roulette. I believe that's the term. That's the term, right? Roulette. Well, yeah, this is really cool. I mean, I've already tried making a roulette, and it is a bit hard, I would say. But I mean, it is really satisfying to build, honestly. And the way this, oh, wow, why does the video suddenly have terrible quality? Okay. Doesn't matter. That was weird. So this build is really cool in my opinion. And it got a, wait, where is it? An 8 out of 10, which is a really good score. So, yup, this is Danny's build, 8 out of 10. Not bad. Actually, really good. Hello. So, this is Birdley's submission, which is a hex computer. It's a little bit big. Maybe instead of putting all these 4 buttons, you could have done like a red coder. Yeah, I think that would have made it just a little bit small. Actually, I'm not really quite sure what this circuit is, but I'm pretty sure that there is like a schematic thing where you said that. Yeah, okay, so this is what it is. I think it was the RAM, because you said that it was on the side. This is really big for something like this, because if I understand this correctly, it can do subtraction, and I mean, it is pretty good. This is an ALU is always like pretty complicated anyway, so yeah, load U into X. No, this is pretty cool. Subtract, though subtract only, it's pretty simple to do addition with what's the word, comparators. You just gotta like put it in a certain manner so it like minuses from 15 and then minuses that by B and then minuses all of that minus 15. Don't really understand if that makes sense, but if it did make sense to you, then good. Or just search it up at this point. And this got a 6 out of 10. So, yay. Okay, hello. So, this is Drew's submission, which is a combinational lock, but with a display. And let me tell you, that display is pretty nice, if I do say so myself. It's pretty compact, and it actually works like in a smart way, if I do say so. Because, okay, right, I'll just let you guys see this. So that's the code, and that lights up if the correct code was inputted. And how the sequence works is really smart, yet really simple. Yeah, and June Paradise, it has a very interesting title. Thank you, June Paradise, for filming this for me, because I could not access the Java worlds. Very interesting title, June Paradise. So yeah, the way how it chooses what number, like how you can choose what number is in the code, that is pretty smart. It's smart but simple. And so this got a 7 out of 10. Yeah, that's how it remembers all the digits, and the very last one is, the very bottom layer is for remembering which code, like what is the number, if the number is correct or not. Honestly, so simple, yet it's really good. And that got a good 7 out of 10. Okay, I have no idea what's going on with the quality. June Paradise, I have no idea what is wrong with your laptop or the computer you're using, but the quality is not good. I have opened like 5 other YouTube videos, and all of them have normal, good quality. I do not know why these videos have the worst quality I have ever seen. There are like 5 I, I, I don't even know. What is this resolution? It's less than 240p. You invented a new resolution. Why is it called Panda? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I can't even read this. I was in the call. It wasn't this bad. Oh my god. I why is the quality so bad in these videos? Oh yeah, and by the way, yeah, what we need to tell you is that what we need to tell. Oh yeah, by the way, this is from Zlaw of Fire. Um, Redstone signal doesn't pass through a sea lanterns. So the door you made at spawn of your world just doesn't work. But that's not the only thing that doesn't work. This door, really cool, honestly, really compact, absolutely amazing. You made 2 submissions, and I judged you on only this one because the other one, oh my god, why is the quality so bad? Okay, um, because the other one, it just does not work. I'm sorry, but like your ALU doesn't work on some like calculations, so you would have gotten a really bad score. So didn't I just didn't judge it because it was honestly it, it was good. It's just that it just didn't work. It was creative and original idea. It just didn't work at all. But anyway, you got a good 7.5 for this door, which is a really cool vault door. Well, I think this is what you call it. Okay, I do not know what's wrong with this quality. I'm just gonna go to the next submission. Oh my god, it's a miracle. The the quality's back. Oh, yay, finally. I mean, it's so meh, but it's so much better. I have no idea what all of that was before, but the videos you sent me previously were just terrible quality, I guess. I don't really know. Anyway, this is by, Pezed. Pezed. Am I saying that correctly? It's just Pezzed. But yeah, no, this is an elevator, which is so cool. I mean, like, that's cool. And you can also choose which floors, and what I do like is that, well, I think that it only starts moving up when you walk on the pressure plate, so it, like, makes sure that you're inside the elevator. And also, well, the fact that there's an elevator door. Maybe you could have tried making a roof for the elevator, but honestly, just really good. So this got a 7.5 out of 10, which is a really good score, if I do say so myself. Oh, and it also shows which floor you're at right now, so that is pretty good, and it is pretty compact. So yeah, this got a 7.5, which is really good. Okay, so this is June Paradise's submission, which is a shulker to image animation thing. So that is the input, yes. That is the other input, I'm guessing. Press the button. Oh wait, is that it? Is that the video? Oh, okay. Oops. Okay. Is the video... Okay, what is going on? Okay, so I got that working. So it seems to bring it inwards, which I don't know if that's like a setting or not. But I mean, that is pretty good, I think. Yeah, no, that is pretty good. So this got a good 6.5 out of 10, which is still a pretty good score. So yeah, no, that is pretty good. And there's quality again. Mamma mia. Okay, so this is Hope's submission, which is his seamless 4x4 flying door. So let's check this out. Ooh, not bad. Wait, is there like a room inside? Like, does it create like a mini room? Will I? Oh, yo, it's like my secret. It's my secret hideout. Yo. Okay, wait, can I get out? Yeah, okay, I can. Actually, no, this is pretty good. And I mean, it is relatively compact. Because, you know, you do need, like, some space down here for the door to go to. That's smart, too, the way how this pulls in. Alright, by the way, I had to fix it because there was, like, an extra block here. But it didn't really break anything. It just made this go one thing out, which didn't change anything. But, yeah, just to say that there was a block right here. But, you know, this is really cool. This got a 7.5 out of 10, which is a really good score. Okay, so this submission is by Oh Man. Oh Man. Okay, I don't know how I did that. This is a pretty good door. And then this, oh my god. Because I tried seeing just how much. So this is a snowball farm. Look, just activating this with one tick. Like, why do I need all these snowballs? What are y'all doing with snowballs? But still, this is pretty cool. I remember, yeah, June Paradise showing me something like this. But, like, what are y'all doing with snowballs? How much? I have over a stack of snowballs, but it's 16, but still. I've probably, I, I don't use Why do you guys need snowballs? What are y'all doing with snowballs? I don't, but still, this is really cool. I decided to judge you on the door because that is the name of the world. So, but still, you would have gotten good marks with the other one. Anyway, it didn't really change much, I think. Um, so yeah, this got a 7.5 out of 10. I mean, yeah, this is pretty good. Oops, excuse me. So yeah, this is Jizux's submission, which is, I think, like an amplifier. So basically, like, I'm gonna do it in this top corner. You press this pixel, and then it draws it in all the other pixels around it. Yeah, see, look. I activated this one, and it drew everywhere here. And this is toggleable. So, like, if I put it here, these ones turn off, this one turns on, this one turns on. So yeah, that is pretty good. But I have some improvements, please. Why didn't you use the copper bulb? This entire purple circuit could have been removed and switched for copper bulbs. You didn't need all of this. You just needed one single block. That would have made this thing so much more compact. And I mean, the reason, and what is, I don't get why you would need this. Screen cleared. Why would you need a redstone, like, why would you need a lamp to tell you if the screen is cleared? Because, I mean, you can just look at the screen. Why do you need a separate screen to tell you if this screen is empty? I don't
Anyway, and I don't think, yeah, no, there, is it for this? Oh, is this why? Okay. So I think that is why you didn't put it into copper bulbs. But there, yeah, I mean, that is still good. But I mean, you could have tried doing it with copper bulbs. Not really sure. And over here, because this is a 2-tick pulse. This is still pretty good. Like, honestly, this is pretty good. But you could have tried to compact it a little bit more, I think. But other than that, it is pretty good. But it is, in the end, it is just a display. But this still got a 6/10, which is still a pretty good score. But still, I need to know, why do you have a separate screen to tell you if this screen is empty? Why do you need this? I don't get it. You could have just removed this blue circuit. Like, you didn't need this blue circuit. Why? Anyway. Okay, so next up is this build by JJ. And yay, I'm not getting called names. I don't have any good... Wait, what is the name? So I'm just gonna put this... I... or something. Okay. At least I'm not getting... Okay, so this is... So, if you guys don't understand what's going on, this is basically a lot of... Okay, I don't really understand how to explain this. It's basically just a lot of pictures that are just on top of each other that then make... Wait, is it... Is the video froze? What's going on? Okay, so basically what this is that it's just a lot of images that just stick on each other. Oh yeah, this is it. This is what it does. So you could say that this is an animator, but it's not, because it's displaying every single frame right now. It's displaying every single frame of the animation. And it just removes each frame, but like all the frames are just stuck on each other. I don't really know if that makes sense, but you know how in a cartoon every frame is different? This is just that it's the same exact frame. So if you want to make a 5th frame, you'll have to account for everything that's on the 1st frame. Like, everything just sticks onto each other. This isn't what an animator is supposed to do. It's supposed to cycle through the frames without displaying previous frames at the same time. So, yeah, this is from JJ. I don't really know what your real username is. I'll put that at the very end. I'll put that at the very end. But you got a 5.5 out of 10, which is okay. It's a good score. Okay, so yeah, this is Bratwurst submission, and it's Bad Apple, which is really good. But the bad thing is that I logged out while it was in action. So it just, all the redstone blocks that were in motion just disappeared. And now there's just a frame that's just etched in. Oh, and I also tried fixing it, but I quickly gave up. So I can't show you this in action, but if Bratwurst finishes this, because it wasn't the full animation, but I'm pretty sure he'll want to make a video on this. So I'll leave it as a surprise, I guess. Totally intentional.
This was obviously very intentional of me breaking it so that I could let Bratwurst show it. I'm so nice. Yeah, that's a fault on my part. I didn't know that it would do that. The redstone blocks would just vanish. Or it's supposed to be like this. No, I don't think so. But yeah, this got a really good 7.5 out of 10. So yay. On to the next build. Okay, so this is Funky Turtle's stopwatch. Just gonna call you Turtle for now. No, it's not just a stopwatch. It's a chronometer. It's basically like a normal watch. The one thing that I need to tell you, buddy, you do know. Okay, so what yeah, look, the hour, because look, this is supposed to show the maximum, right? So the seconds you have 59, the minutes you have 59 minutes to make 1 hour. But do you know that to go from 1 hour to 1 day, because yes, he does show what's on this sign, and it is 1 day. You do know that in 1 day there is 24 hours and not 100 hours. Just, I'm I'm not sure if you understand that, because you put 100. Well, what I'm seeing here is that you need a 100 hours to make 1 day. So, not sure if you just forgot, but yeah. But otherwise, this build is honestly really, really cool. I'm not gonna count that as a like a fault, because that's not redstone error. Because you did show that you can make it, like, because look, over here it's 59. So that means you can make it into that. It's just, well, I don't know if you knew this or not, which I'd be surprised if you didn't know. But yeah, see, look, hours, days, yeah. So yeah, this got an 8.5 out of 10. Okay, so this is the poet's submission. Thank you, Bratwurst, for filming this. This is tic-tac-toe with wind detection and also auto-turning. I did that, but like without the wind detection, because I'm just bad. I don't know. So yeah, this is pretty good. As you can see here at the very bottom, the gold shows whose turn it is. The diamond, I'm guessing it's who won. And yeah, then you just press to see, just to place in your, the things. And then I'm guessing, yeah, it is the diamond that shows who won. So then you tap up here. Yeah, that is much faster than mine, than my tic-tac-toe. That's good. Oh, and you can't place stuff after you won. Okay, that's pretty good. And then you reset it, and then it resets. Oh, that is really good. Anyway, so you got a 7 out of 10, which is pretty good score. Okay, so this are the ratings before the tiebreaker round. So, how will this tiebreaker round work? Okay, so it'll be enjoyable, which means if it's satisfying to look at or just enjoyable to use, which will be out of 3 points, compactness out of 5 points, and impressive if it's just, well, impressive, 2 points. Our first time is between Red Birdly, Zelo Fire, and Jizzux. Red Birdly got a 6.5 out of 10. Zelo of Fire got a 9 out of 10. And Jizzux with a 3 out of 10. So this is the new rating with Funky Turtle at the top, and with all the new stuff inside. I decided to just do it 6.2 and 6.1, just like adding a 0.1 and a 0.2 so that it just makes it look easier. It's just easier to do. Alright, next up, the tie between Oakley Paws, Drewbean, and the Poet. Oakley Paws got a 6.5 out of 10. Drewbean got an 8 out of 10. And the Poet got a 7 out of 10. Okay, so this is the updated scoreboard. And now fighting for third place, we have Bratwurst, Pezed, Oman3307, and Hope. Bratwurst got a 9 out of 10. Pezed got a 9.5 out of 10. Oman3307 got a 8 out of 10. An 8 out of 10, sorry. And Hope with a 7.5 out of 10. So these are the final scores of this Redstone competition. Congratulations to Frankie Turtle, Danny Scoots, and Pezed for winning first, second, and third respectively. And thank you everyone for joining, and my next videos will be trying to rebuild all of these submissions in 20 minutes. Thank you for watching, and bye. This is probably my longest video ever. Till next time.